The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following Georgia counties: Cherokee, Cobb, DeKalb, Forsyth, Fulton, and Gwinnett. Effective until 1:15 p.m. the National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Southeastern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, central DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, Northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia. Until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marietta, Lawrenceville, Cumming, Peachtree Corners, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, Milton, Duluth, Sugar Hill, Snellville, Suwanee, Buford, Lilburn, Loganville, Norcross, and Doraville. Precautionary/preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown.